Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Farrah and today I'm going to be reacting and kind of copying a 1950s original makeup tutorial. This is by the YouTube channel 𝓈𝓈. I will link everything in the description box. And they post all original vintage and hair makeup videos and tutorials, so it's really good. I definitely suggest checking their channel out. And I think I'm going to do my hair because as you can see it's pink curled. Let's get straight on with the video.
Of makeup and hairstyling.
I don't even know what's going on right now. I guess they're doing foundation. I don't know. Doing it with his fingers. Ew, I've never applied makeup with my fingers before. This feels wrong. He's like doing these like patting motions. It feels so wrong. Oh, it's so streaky.
Then dry rouge may be applied after
Dry rouge. So he's saying dry rouge. He's like using his finger and he's like, this is my mum's palette, this isn't actually mine. It's the middle colour. You know, it's in black and white, so I can't really see what colours they use. I'm just gonna go for it. Centre of the cheek.
Blend it up over the cheekbone toward the temple. First of all, there should be no fads in makeup. In order to create the illusion of glamour, there are hard, fast rules which must be adhered to.
They didn't have this back then.
So far as I'm concerned,
'𝓚𝓚's palette.
we need only
They
two
said
shades of
brown
eyeshadow.
and blue
Blue
grey. So he's just
And
applying
above
that on
everything
the
else,
whole of the lid.
it must be remembered that eyeshadow at all times is to be applied sparingly.
I can't tell if he's gone all the way. You know, I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. I've never applied makeup like this. I feel like a child just playing with makeup. This is actually so fun. I don't have eyeliner pencil thing. I don't have one of them. And he's using brown rather than black. So we're gonna improvise. We'll thingy brush like this. A dark brown. Line it. Basically, because I don't have a
pencil in outlining the eye.
So
Quote,
yeah.
is it necessary to outline the eye for good makeup?
It is just as important to outline an eye as it is to frame a picture. Remember, the eyes are the windows of your soul. Clean hairline. Properly blended.
I just want to pick up my brush and blend it. We're powdering. Oh, he's baking her. Oh, powder. So he's taken what looks like a big flannel, and I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Well, at least we know that baking was kind of like a thing back then. Like, they kind of baked. It's just a bit different. Huh? I've got to powder on my eyeshadow. But all of that work that I've done.
Above and below the eyes. Here's a question that might seem like a very simple one, but actually, Mr. 𝓚𝓚
Have that either, whatever
Down
that
under the
is.
chin.
So I'm just gonna use a
But with upward strokes.
do that.
Never brush the cheeks down. Always brush. Simply saturate a Q-tip with water. You'll find it lends freedom to the expression of your eyes. Many women fail to remove the
I
surface
mean, there's
powder
other
from around
ways you
their
can
eyes.
do this, obviously,
And
but
that's
you know,
a
if he
bad
was back in
mistake.
them times, I guess, thinking,
It
this
should be
isn't actually that bad. Like, you can see the colour of it again, but if you look at my eyelids really closely, it is very splotchy.
Remember that the eyebrow is a very important feature of the face. It expresses every human emotion. Happiness, sadness, joy, whatever the case may be. And a properly arched eyebrow is a...
I don't have an eyebrow pencil, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some eyebrow pomade and a angled brush.
I want you to pay particular attention to the sharpness of your eyebrow pencil. It is
so hard following this and not doing what I normally do with my makeup. But they have their eyebrows quite thin back then, that's what I've noticed. Whereas mine are very thick and they are very outgrown. So he's lifted
in mascara,
up the
there are
lid.
any number of tones of browns and blacks. Never use any artificial shades. I'll cover this subject more thoroughly as we go along.
That worked. I'm using that technique from now on because I always get mascara on my lid. I'm using that technique from now on. So he's going back in with the dry rouge. So I'm going to go in with the pink blush again with the brush.
Successful application of lip rouge. Women must
Oh,
follow
the fun bit. Oh, I love this bit. This is the fun bit. When they get the lipstick out. I think everybody remembers this kind of like era as just the lipstick, the bright red signature lipstick. Like that's the fun bit of it, I think. Like, yeah, the eyebrows and the eyes are like, yeah, they were there, but the lips, that's the fun bit.
Important rule is the proper selection of color. Never use lip rouge with blue tones. They're cold and hard. Never match your lip rouge to your nails.
So I've got some, we haven't got cleansing
This will make your
tissue,
lips
but we've got tissue
stay on longer
So,
and look more natural. Now then, here is a properly made up oval face.
so because I couldn't actually find a video that by these people made in the 1950s for long hair, it just shows how to pin curl basically. It doesn't actually show like the steps of how to brush it out and take it out properly for long hair especially. So I'm going to miss out that step, so I've literally just taken out my pin curls. But yeah, that's the end of this video. This was really fun to make actually, I really enjoyed it. So please give this a big thumbs up if you liked it too. Subscribe to my channel, I make all types of videos to do with fashion, girly, vintage, feminine content, so please subscribe and I hope you have a wonderful day.